Welcome to the channel everyone. With the release of the Vision Pro is imminent and will be here in any time in this year. All the developers are excited to build for Vision Pro. Let's see how you can create a new project for visionOS using Xcode. If you have not used Xcode before, when you launch Xcode you will see a screen like this, and as you can see at the time of recording, the Xcode full version doesn't support the development for Vision Pro or visionOS, but you have to download the beta version of the Xcode. I am currently using a 15.2 beta to develop for the visionOS. And when you want to create a new project, as it says, you want to click here to create a new project. So let's click, and you want to click on visionOS here on the top to select the app for the visionOS. If you don't have the visionOS runtime installed, Xcode will show a message here at the top saying that you need to download the visionOS runtime, and then there will be a get button which you can click to download, and then it will download the visionOS runtime for you. I have already downloaded the visionOS runtime, so that's why I don't need to. For example, I don't have the tvOS runtime installed, so if I click on tvOS, it will show me a message here that you need to install the tvOS runtime, and it will be similar message like this for the visionOS. So when you select, you wanna select app and then click next. You wanna add a name, so let's say first Vision Pro, right? So this is your first project for let's say first project for Vision Pro. It's a long name, but so I'm gonna say, let's say first project for Vision Pro. So now that you have created it, you wanna select a team if you already have the Apple developer account, and then you wanna select a scene, you wanna select a window or a volume. Let's stick to window. And then immersive space render, if you are gonna use immersive spaces, let's choose none for now. Let's keep it simple, and then click next. So once you do that, I have already created a folder for my visionOS projects, and then we click create. This will create the Xcode project. Let's move the Xcode project on the side, and let's resize it a bit. So I always use my reality kit. I usually set the canvas for the visionOS at the bottom because it's like a horizontal view, which gives us a better idea at the bottom, not on the side. But you can choose where you want to open the simulator. So let's remove this content. And once you have the project, so you have the app, and then similar to any SwiftUI app, you have a window group which has a content view. In visionOS, as you know, you can open multiple windows, so you will be creating multiple window groups here, and by default the app will pick up the first one that you have defined, which will be used when you launch the app. So that's about the app. Now you have the content view. It's the same SwiftUI code that you are aware of while writing iOS apps or macOS app or watchOS app or tvOS app. It works on visionOS as well. And the new thing with the Vision is now you have 3D content. In the sample app, they have a reality kit content as a separate package, and it has a scene which just has a globe that we are loading, and then if you go, it's just loading that globe scene as a model 3D object from the reality kit bundle. So let's see where is this bundle defined. So in the reality kit there is a Swift file which is defining the reality kit bundle, so that when we are loading the content, it's easier for us to mention, okay, load this content from this bundle. And then it's a simple text modifier, that text view that we use in SwiftUI, and then you can see that it's rendered nicely here in the simulator. Let's try and run the app. resize it a bit so that simulator fits. All right, so our app is running now in the simulator. Let me just hide the bar. And this is the app, how it looks like in visionOS. You can move things around, grab the handle, right? So you grab the handle, so that's how it knows that you are moving the app. And how I am moving is I grabbing the handle and then I'm using WASD to move to the left, right, or front, back, or if I leave the map, so I can just go like this. So it's like how you move in a video game. So it's the same concept that you're moving in the simulator. And if you want to go up, you want to press R. If you want to go up, you want to press E. Come down, you can press Q. And if you are lost, you can always click this camera button here to reset your original position. And if I now tap on this handle here, it will bring the app into the original position where it was. So this is the first visionOS app, and the like a very brief introduction of how you want to create a visionOS project and how you want to run and what are the different components of the app. And subscribe and hit that bell to get the notification for upcoming visionOS videos. Thank you.